Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the ZkSync era airdrop criteria. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So hopefully we see an announcement from ZkSync era about the snapshot date, or maybe if the snapshot has been already taken, how to go ahead and claim the airdrop. So I personally feel that this should be soon enough because the ZkSync era community has been waiting for a long time, and today is ZkSync era's birthday. So officially they have completed 1 year since ZkSync era mainnet launch. Now if we go to Twitter over here, we can see a lot of this post over here stating that they have some insider news with regards to the snapshot date, airdrop, the number of eligible wallet, and how much airdrop would be per wallet. But I think this is all fake and just for the engagement farming. There is no official news out yet, so I'm not sure whether this is correct or not. Maybe this is even correct, you may never know. But I will tell you personally what I feel like, what would be the criteria going forward for the ZkSync era airdrop. Now before we go into the criteria, I have made a separate page on Twitter where you can go ahead and follow it. I will even leave a link in the description where I keep updating about the latest airdrop and how you can go ahead and be eligible and claim these airdrops. So once again, I will leave this link in the description. If you want to go ahead and follow my Twitter channel, you can go ahead and follow it. Now the main criteria that I think would be for ZkSync era is to have a Gitcoin passport with 20 score. The reason being, this is more like a KYC on the ZkSync era network. So if you have been on guild.xyz and if you have this guild roles, I think so the level 2 verification is the most important one after having the Gitcoin password. Passport. Now with regards to level 1, as you can see, around 188 people have already done the level 1 verification, whereas level 2 is like 115. Now if they want to filter out certain people with regards to the KYC or anti-Sibyl checks, then I think so getting this is very important, level 2, and with minimum of 20 score. Now with regards to Libertas Omnibus holder, I think there may be some multiplier points, although it won't be that much. I think it will be a small multiplier here and there if you own a Libertas Omnibus NFT. Now if you have already minted the Libertas Omnibus for free, then it's perfectly fine. If not, then you can buy this on Element Marketplace if you want to go ahead and buy it. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research before buying, investing, or selling any cryptocurrency. Now if you still want to go ahead and buy this Libertas Omnibus NFT, you can use my sign up referral link for Element Marketplace, where you will be getting some LE points, and there would be an airdrop for Element Marketplace also in the future. So these points would directly correlate to the amount of airdrop that you get. And the current floor price for Libertas Omnibus is around 0.005. Now I personally feel that there would be utility for Libertas Omnibus in the future because they have directly teamed up with summon.xyz, and if you go to their website over here, as you can see, Summon has something called as a lock drop. So they have this unique concept, like instead of an airdrop, the more you engage, the higher retention the Libertas Omnibus team will have, and the more would be the lock drops. So you will exactly know how much airdrop you would be getting as per the engagement once you sign up on the Summon portal in the future. This is like 90% sure, although this is not guaranteed, but I think so there will be some huge utilities for Libertas Omnibus going forward. Now I'm not sure about this, but there would be certain criterias like holding other NFTs apart from Libertas Omnibus. So for example, this one, ZkPengs. Now ZkPengs is the first fully on-chain NFT collection on the ZkSync era, so it's more like a OG and a blue chip collection. Now if you hold one, maybe there will be some additional ZKS provision for those who hold ZkPengs NFT collection, and there is something also called like a UNFT, so which is pretty unique. So these are some of the OG collections. Now there are a lot of NFT collections on the ZkSync era, there is ZK Wedges. ZK Wedges is also one of the OG collection, and then you have Libertas Omnibus, ZkPengs, V Bears. Now there is something called as Zik which is coming. Then there is Sob NFT. A lot of NFTs. So the next would be like interacting with all these different decks. So for example, there is Sync Swap, then there is ZK Swap. Now I personally feel that this is important, because if we go to NFT Copilot over here, so there are certain criteria set by NFT Copilot with regards to the ZkSync era airdrop. So as you can see, this is just my dummy wallet over here, where you can exactly go ahead and check how much is the volume, how much is the total number of points, the bridge volume, the transactions, the contracts, and how old is your wallet, and how you have been farming this airdrop since how long. So these are some of the criterias. Now I think so the higher the score, the higher would be the airdrop chance. And in total, there are more than 6 million wallets that are actively farming the ZkSync era airdrop. Now I'm not sure out of those how many would be eligible, but I personally feel that the rank won't matter much. It will totally depend on the number of volumes and the transactions and the contracts and the number of NFTs along with the Gitcoin passport that you hold. And lastly, you can always check their official Twitter page, or maybe join ZkSync era Discord channel, where you can get certain roles like level 1, level 2, Elo holder verification role. Then there is something also called as a ZK rookie role, where you can go ahead and answer a few questions over there and get this ZkSync rookie role. So these are some of the criteria which I personally feel that you should give more weightage on in order to get the ZkSync era airdrop. Now even I have been farming this airdrop for very long time, and hopefully we see a decent airdrop. Now even if we don't get the airdrop, then it's perfectly fine. It's just that we are being a part of the ecosystem, but our hard work, I personally feel that should pay off. So we should get a decent airdrop for ZkSync era going forward. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.